what we are going to do is we are going to continue with the nomenclature of ketones today, and we'll begin the synthesis of aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. Concentrate please. Look here. The common name or the trivial name are written as alkyl or aryl ketone. Simple. Ketone is not located at the end of the carbon chain. Never ketone group is present at the end. Carbon chain च्या end ला नसतो. Second point. Third point is that students ketone च्या बाबतीत that it is not the carbon or the ketonic carbon, the nomenclature or the naming is done besides the ketonic carbon. म्हणजे the carbonyl group जो ketonic carbon असतो, the carbon besides it is named as alpha, beta, gamma and so on. That is how you name the ketones. I'll repeat. The common name are written as the alkyl aryl ketone. Alkyl aryl ketone. Common names are written as per the alkyl aryl ketone. Point number 1. Point number 2. काय सांगितलं तुम्हाला? The ketonic carbon चे शेजारचा जो असतो that is named as alpha, next beta, gamma, delta and so on. This is how you do the nomenclature of ketones. In case of IUPAC, the longest chain is selected as the parent chain and the longest chain is selected as the parent alkane. The end of the carbon close to the ketonic group is named as carbon atom number 1. म्हणजे लेफ्ट साइडला ketonic group जवळ असेल तर लेफ्ट साइड किंवा राइट साइड and so on is named as carbon atom number 1, and the last word E is replaced by ONE for ketone. If there are two ketonic groups attached to the same carbon chain in case of aliphatic, then the complete alkane is written, the complete longest chain is written, and then di-ONE if two ketonic groups are attached. Is it okay? That is how you do. If ketone is used as a substituent, म्हणजे aldehyde ही main chain आहे आणि त्याला ketone हा substituent म्हणून असेल, then the word oxo is used. ठीक है? In case of trivial as well as IUPAC name, for aromatic ketones the word phenone is used. ठीक है? Phenone, benzophenone, acetophenone. मग ते aldehydes ते trivial name असो किंवा IUPAC name असो, the word phenone is used. Are you okay here? We'll start, students. Trivial name, the name of the alkyl group, aryl group followed by ketone. Point number 1. For trivial name, the carbon besides the carbonyl carbon is named as alpha, beta, gamma and so on. Second rule. हे झालं ketone. Whether for aryl ketones the word phenone is used. Point number 3. In IUPAC system of nomenclature, the last word E of the parent chain, the longest chain, is replaced by ONE. If two ketonic groups are attached, the complete chain of the alkane is written followed by di-ONE, and if ketone is used as a substituent, then the word oxo is used. मी तुम्हाला example देईन students, म्हणजे तुम्हाला कळणार. ठीक है? Now we will start with the nomenclature of ketones. मुलांना तुम्हाला मी examples घेते म्हणजे तुमच्या डोक्यात फिट बसेल. No worries at all. Main is you should know the nomenclature. हे बघा रे, name of the compound, trivial name followed by IUPAC name. First, let me call the name of the compound as, look here. What is the trivial name? Students, alkyl ketone. Two methyl groups attached to ketonic group. Trivial name. Dimethyl ketone. IUPAC name. We have to select the longest chain of carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3. PRO, propane. Single covalent bond, propane. फक्त E, replace it by ONA. Are you okay here? Huh? Example number 1. Example number 2. Look here. Alphabetical order for trivial name. E will come first. Ethyl, methyl, ketone. Ethyl, methyl, ketone. What about the IUPAC name? How many carbon atoms? 1, 2, 3, 4. Huh? 1, 2, 3, 4. Look here. The end of the chain where the ketonic group is closer is named as carbon atom number 1. So what is it? Butane, complete word with a capital letter. BUTAN 2 ONE. Are you okay? Next. Third. Look here, students. What about the common name? Alkyl aryl ketone. Two ethyl groups. Diethyl ketone. What about the IUPAC system? IUPAC name 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. कुठच्याही एंडनी नेमिंग केलं तर ketone will be third. 1, 2, 3. So longest chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is PAN, PEN, TAN 3 ONE. Ketonic group is attached to carbon atom number 3. That's it. Next, घ्या रे CH3, CH2, what is this? 1, 2, 3. Naming should be done from this end because ketone is close to this end. Okay? Name is what? Ethyl N-propyl ketone. N ला डॅश घालायचं कारण तो सबस्टिट्यूएंट आहे, पोझिशन आहे ते, म्हणून डॅश घालायचं. What about IUPAC name? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hexane. HEXAN. Okay? 3 ONE because ketone is attached to carbon atom number 3. Are you okay? Are you okay? Go to next. Look here. Nomenclature कुठल्या साइडनी? From this side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ketone ला primitive importance. Name काय? Students. Common name or trivial name? हा alpha झाला. The carbon attached to the neighbor of ketone carbonyl carbon is alpha. So it is alpha bromo. Alpha bromo. Yes. Ethyl N-propyl ketone, alpha bromo ethyl N propyl ketone. Are you okay? Alpha bromo ethyl N propyl ketone. Concept clear? Come to IUPAC system. Longest chain. 1 2 3 4 5 6. कार्बन ॲटमचं नंबरिंग कुठून करायचं? 1 2 3. So it is 2 dash bromo. HEXAN 3 dash ONE. 2 bromo हेक्सेन 3 ONE. आर यू ओके या? हा एक पार्ट झाला. अजून घेऊया स्टुडंट्स. जस्ट फॉलो द बोर्ड. लुक हिअर. गो टू द नेक्स्ट. स्टुडंट्स काय करूया? हे बघा रे. CH2 डबल बॉन्ड CO CH3. कळलं काय ते? हां, ketonic group attached to double bond CH2. What is it? Students, the common name or the trivial name is Mecy oxide. What about the IUPAC name? IUPAC name, how many carbon atoms? 1 2 3 4. Nomenclature कुठून करायचं? जिथं ketonic group close असेल तो. So it will be students but 3En. I hope you understand. But 3En. What else? 2 ONE. कळलं का? ब्यूट 3En 2 ONE. आर यू ओके या? आर यू ओके? कम ऑन, घ्या आता पुढचा. We take the next compound here, मेसिटार ऑक्साइड म्हणतात त्याला. आता आपण aromatic. For aromatic there are no issues at all students, because common name and IUPAC name are one and the same. Name, what is this? This is benzophenol किंवा डायफिनाइल कीटोन म्हटलं तरी चालतंय. What about the IUPAC name? Benzophenol. ह्याला there is one more word, diphenyl ketone. कळतं? And here benzophenol. Are you okay? Yeah? Diphenyl ketone. Come on. Next. We'll take like this. हे काय? Methyl phenyl. What is the name? What is the name? Methyl phenyl ketone. What about here? It is acetophenone. Phenone word येते मुलांना. Acetophenone. Are you okay? Are you okay? Yeah. Come on. Next, students, हा बघा. हा close chain alicyclic compound आहे with no carbon double bond. हा डबल बॉन्ड, हा Cl घालूया. ओके. आणि समजा इथं जर डॅश असेल तर मीनिंग काय होतं माहिती आहे जरा? दॅट इज स्केलेटन फॉर्म्युला. व्हॉट इज द नेम? इट इज ह्याला we don't have the common name. We don't have common name for this. IUPAC will be cyclohexanone. Confirmed. Cyclohexanone. Lowest number rule. Chloro 2 1. We'll put it like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6. So it will be 2 chloro 6 methyl dash 6 dash. Confused होता है. I'll show you neatly. 2 chloro dash 6 dash methyl what? Hexanone. करता है. Sorry, cyclohexanone. Cyclohexane Ne is replaced by ONE. So it is 6 chloro. 6 chloro कसा टीचर? 2 chloro आणि 6 methyl कसा? हा आता ketonic group. Second position chloro, third, fourth, fifth. I put a dash here. If you don't write methyl also, it is methyl. Alkyl group है तो, so obviously it is methyl. So it is 2 chloro 6 methyl. Alkyl group है. 2 chloro 6 methyl hexanone. Clear students? Cyclohexanone. करता है cyclohexanone. I'll repeat. Chloro at position number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 methyl cyclohexanone. Concept clear? Concept clear to you? Come on. हे एक पार्ट झाला. आता पुढचा पार्ट. We'll take one more. Students, हे जरा बघा. CH3, CO, CH2, CH2, CHO. दिसते का बघा क्लिअरली? दिसते ना? CH3, so it has two functional group, ketone आणि aldehyde. मग इम्पॉर्टन्स कोणाला? aldehyde ला जर दिलं, then carbon atom number 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, concentrate. No trivial name because there is no sense in giving the trivial name here. The IUPAC name will be 4-oxo. If ketone is used as a substituent, we use the letter oxo. 4-oxo dash करायची गरज नाही. पेंटेनॉल. कळत आहे? 4-oxo pentanal. No trivial name. 4-oxo pentanal. Are you okay? Are you okay, students? I'll repeat. This is a compound with two functional group, aldehyde and ketone. So the nomenclature will be 4-oxo 1 2 3 4 5 pentanal. Are you okay? aldehyde आहे. aldehyde ला इम्पॉर्टन्स दिले म्हणून pentanal आणि with ketonic group attached to carbon atom number 4. So it is 4-oxo. 4 ketone म्हणत नाही त्याला, 4-oxo म्हणतात. ठीक आहे? Tomorrow we'll start the preparation. Thank you for today. चल.